Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. Dekko recommends using the following: ensure your plywood substrate is attached securely to your building structure. Concrete is as strong and stable as the substrate it is attached to. We recommend using a low expansion foam adhesive. Do not use tile setting or construction adhesives. For example, Full Flex or PL Premium. Step 2. Unpacking and handling your panels. Your concrete panels will arrive in a cardboard box on a pallet or wood crate. Carefully unpack the panels, carrying and storing them on edge, similar as you would with granite. Never carry or stack panels horizontally. Step 3. Begin with the bottom row. Begin by marking the center of your wall. Next, measure the height of your first panel and set laser level to that height for the top of the first row. If you don't have a laser level, a 4-foot level and chalk line can also be used. Once you have decided on the location of your first panel, apply the low expansion construction foam adhesive to the back. Carefully set your panel in place and hold tight to the wall. You may need to shim the bottom of the panel to adjust for an unlevel floor. Next, brad nail through the face of your panel to set in place. Using a brad nailer properly will not damage the concrete, and because of the texture of the concrete, brad nails will not be visible. Continue setting panels in place, completing the first row, progressively working up the wall, always being sure to complete each row before starting the next. It is crucial that the first row be completely level, as it will affect the subsequent rows. If there is a variance in the thickness of the panels, use a wood shim to adjust before foam adhesive sets. Panel thicknesses may vary up to 3/16 of an inch. If you have a panel that is set too far in, carefully drill a wood screw into the corner of the panel. Using the claw part of a hammer, carefully pull panel forward. Brad nail into place, then remove the screw. The hole can then be filled with color-matched grout. It is important that this be done immediately before adhesive sets, typically within 2 to 5 minutes of applying the adhesive to your panel. If a panel needs to be cut, Dekko recommends using either a circular saw with a straight edge or an angle grinder. Either option should have a diamond blade. If the panel butts against another, we recommend routering the edge with a slight 45-degree angle for a properly finished edge. Step 4. Fill in joint lines. Fill in the panel joints and any screw holes with Dekko Color Match grout. Working one line at a time, carefully squeeze caulking into the joints. Use a rounded grouting tool to shape grout, then a putty knife to scrape off the excess. Be sure to do this right away, being careful not to smear onto the face of your panel. After all panels are installed and grout lines are filled in, you may need to lightly sand the surface area with a fine grit sanding paper to remove any fingerprints or debris caused during installation. Our professional sales team are happy to assist or answer any questions that may come up during the installation process. With good planning and the right tools, your experience with Dekko Concrete cladding will be a success.